Okay guys, just letting you know, this is the size of my garage, sorry, my workshop. It is in the garage, and I am basically designated this side of the garage because the wife's car has to go in out the heat on that side. But I get quite a bit of stuff in here and I don't do too badly considering. So what I thought I'd do is just pop up a little video on my workshop area and how I get all kinds of stuff in here. First of all, I've got my Wen planer on a little cabinet that I made up, which I still haven't really finished. That's all my dust extraction there. I got two sets of dust extraction. I've got the big 4-inch ones, and I've got the Hercules dust extractor. Now, the roller brush there is because I've just painted my worktop. Got a little sander on the top there next to the workbench. There's another sander there on the side of my cabinet. There's the grinder on the side of the cabinet there. There's my worktop. Just painted it the other day. There's my table saw on the end of it. And despite them being at different levels, I can raise and lower the desk to the planer level, or I can drop it back down and have it at the table saw level. I'll explain how I do that. This is one of them raise and lower work desks that the wife had, but she didn't really like it, so she was going to sell it, and I thought, no, I'll have that for the garage. So what I done is I just built a shelf, a little compartment to go underneath for storage, and as you can see here, it raises and lowers to whatever height I want it to work at. And you see it goes up. And it really works out quite well for me. Let's drop down to table saw level. As I say, I've got my dust extraction, got my cyclone there, I've got my Hercules dust extractor, I've got my big 4-inch dust extractor with the fan and motor down the bottom there, and that services my miter saw. That services my Wen miter saw. This is 12-inch. Really love this. It's zero clearance, so I can put it right up against the wall, as you can see there. And I also made this table, which gives me zero clearance on the back fence, zero clearance on the thingo, and also if I stick this on the side on there, if I put that on there and just maybe put a clamp on there, and then I can cut 45s without even altering the saw itself. I've also got my Wen planer jointer, sorry, which I leave stored there, but I can pull it out if I need it. I done a couple of storage shelves, which I made for some wood there. There's one of the, there's a little clock that I made for the workshop. I've got my drill stand there. I've also got my router table here. Just move that up the way. Got my router table there, a little bit of storage underneath there as well. That's a mobile platform as well if I want to pull it out or move it around. I got some storage here in the workbench, the worktop or workbench that I've built. all my drills and router bits in there, soft closing. Then I've got these two drawers here which I'm not really utilising just yet. The top one as well, just bits of scrap in there at the moment. Got the two cupboards here on this side of the workbench with storage in there. What else have I got? This is my new table saw, guys. Just got this one the other day. It's the DEWALT 10-inch. It's got the rack and pinion vents on it, which gives it a lot more accuracy when you're trying to do straight cuts. And that is a mobile table saw, which I probably won't use much of nowadays. There's a few clamps, bit of storage on the wall. I am planning to build a cabinet here. I'll do a build on that in the future. But you know, there's all the stuff there. And I got some shelving over here as well. So despite the fact that we've got like a pretty small garage or a pretty small workshop, I've got quite a bit of stuff in here. Quite a bit of storage as well, really, when you think about it. That's a planter box that I made. You can see down there. And that is basically it, really, guys. I just thought I'd make this little video to show you how much stuff you can get in such a small space. Over there you can see a bench I made and another planter box. They just sit there now. And I hope that you enjoy this video, guys. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Hope you've enjoyed the video. See you again soon. Please like and maybe subscribe. Thank you.